Sanshatra for today's video activity 13 informative speech. I choose topic dangerous cat disease for practice 1. Pets are important members of our family and they make our life whole. Since they make us happy and healthy, it is especially heartbreaking when they are sick and in pain because we can feel helpless to make them feel better. There are many cat diseases that are highly dangerous and can sometimes be fatal for your furry friend. These are some of the most prevalent cat diseases. Seeing cat can catch this illness from other cats in your house, on the street, or in the shelter. It is important to keep an eye on them and take them to the vet if they start exhibit any odd symptom or behavior. Here are some basic ways to tell if your cat is sick. The first disease is kidney disease. The symptom that we can watch is or we start to realize is they're having dry cough, weight loss, bad breath, drooling, increase in urination and thirst. While kidney disease can affect all cats of age and breed, it is especially found in cats 7 years of age and older and long-haired breeds like Persian and Angoras. Acute renal failure can also occur if your cat ingests a toxic substance like antifreeze, a pesticide, or human medication like ibuprofen. The second disease is a feline immunodeficiency virus, or the shortcut called FIV. The symptoms are weight loss, dry cough, skin disease, diarrhea. FIV, or related to HIV but species specific to feline, is transferred by bite wounds, and once it enters the bloodstream and attacks the immune system, it is fatal. What more, FIV is classified as lentivirus or slow virus, so infected cat can look normal for years as the virus slowly weakens his immune system. Although most vet checks for FIV when your cat is a kitten, most FIV tests taper off as your cat grows older, so you should request a checkup annually, especially if he exhibits signs of the disease. To prevent your feline from contracting FIV, keep him indoor away from territorial and feral cats and keep him up to date on vaccine. The third disease is diabetes. Although human can get attacked by diabetes, pet also can. The symptoms are increased urination and thirst, weight loss, vomiting, plantigrade stance, means when your cat walks on her rear hocks instead of her toes. Both types of diabetes are common in cats and appear to be on rise because cats are living longer, are more likely to be obsessed, eat high-carb diet. Type 1 is less common and occurs when there's a lack of insulin, while type 2 is more common and occurs when there is a resistance to insulin. Although there are two different types of diabetes, treatment is generally the same. The fourth disease is leukemia. The symptoms were such as diarrhea, skin disease, bladder infection, infertility. Leukemia is a cancer of the white blood cells and is spread through a virus found in saliva, and urine. Cats that are the greatest risk of contracting it are those who live with or come in close contact with infected cats, or cats transfer the virus via shell balls or fighting, or even the mother placenta. The fifth disease is heartworm. The symptoms are coughing, vomiting, weight loss, seizure. Heartworm is a dangerous and sometimes fatal disease that infects your cat's heart and lungs It's spread by mosquito and has been reported in all 50 states, regardless of weather and climate. It can be found when you can saw them pooping, and there's some kind of look like a worm. That when you should get your pet go to the vet. Keeping pets healthy, although some health issue and disease are out of your control, the best way is to keep your cat healthy is by seeing your cat to vet at least once a year for a regular checkup, requesting a routine blood and urine testing after he is 7 years old, or better, when they reach 5 kilos, to get them checked, because cat they mostly grow up bit by bit. Other than that, discussing your nutrition with your vet and keeping an eye on your cat diet and weight, and also keep them active. You need to play with them, so when they're active, that means they are healthy. But when they are not playing too much, then you should get your pet to the vet. Other than that, by keeping your cat inside and away from unknown feral cats and maintaining regular vet visit and healthy diet, you reduce his chances of getting sick and making the most of his 9 life. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Thank you, Teech. See you in the next video.